Hello, Jason here. Today is September 22nd, and this is your aftermarket update. So we had a good day here at the Oil Trading Group. We had a 138 tick trade here today that was initiated with a one lot. As you know, I sent out an email over the weekend that indicated to you that I would be starting with a live $15,000 trading account, and I would be trading that account in front of you in all of its glory, good, bad, or indifferent. We began that process yesterday. I had a tough trading day yesterday. In fact, in the blog post that accompanies this video today, I will detail out yesterday's performance results. And while it wasn't a good day yesterday, there are some encouraging numbers to provide inside of that blog post. So read the blog post, make sure you pay attention to what I say in there, and I'll give you some insight into why I think, even though it was a tough day yesterday, there are some positive factors in those results. All right, let's take a look at why we got into the OTG trade of the day. First of all, I want to draw your attention to this area right here. We have what we call the 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. swing zone. And that 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. swing zone is highlighted in blue. And one of the setups that we look at here is something that occurred right here at this point. This is a long candle up. It did close in the green at 50, above its 50% mark. It's a little bit hard to see these dots, but these are OTG price markers. And that closed above the 50%. Then you get the next bar that closes below the 50% of its bar, and then begins that push to the downside. So what we did here, and I'm going to give you a couple of reasons why we looked at this, one on the 5-minute chart and then one set of reasons on the 1-minute chart. So you take your Fibonacci retracements. First of all, reason number one here on this chart is it is inside the 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. swing zone. The second reason is that we had, when you measure the sessions high down to the sessions low, you look at the retracement came right up into our 70.5 area. That is another high value, high probability setup. When the 70.5 retracement occurs inside the 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. swing zone, and that is when it's the daily swing high to the daily swing low, that is an excellent place for an opportunity, and it was indeed the case here today. So that was the triggers here on the 5-minute chart that we were looking at. Now let's take a look at what got us in on the 1-minute chart. Let's take a look here. Give me a second. Okay, so here is the 1-minute chart. And so we had a line in the sand that was drawn. Let's see if I can get this out right here. Okay, so we had that push up. We had gone into, so leading into this, we'd gone into resistance. We pulled back, and you had this 3 little tiered area right here. This is one of the things that Matt taught you in the training session the other day. Those 3 bottoms right there, heavy volume, pushing up, a little bit lighter volume. You did make a little bit of a lower low, but not much to speak of. And then you did make a little bit of a lower high. But once you got into this resistance point, you pushed up on high volume, came back, tested again on high volume, and then you had this rotational period coupled with the 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. swing zone area that I just showed you. And I took a chance here on the break of this level at 04. Now, what we talked about and what you'll hear me say in the video is if we get down to 96, I'm going to go to break even. So that's only 8 ticks. And so I thought once we broke this area here at 04, that we should definitely come down into the 96. And then I would get to break even. You're going to see me do that on the video. And the rest, as they say, is history. We look to target down here to this 45, 47 area, and we spike right down into it. In fact, we get down to 46. Gets me just enough to clear out my orders, and then the market rallies off of that zone. So I got in with a 1 lot today, and then I added and got to 4 lots, and then it ended up being a 138 tick OTG trade of the day. And again, what's very important here for you to understand is that at a very difficult day yesterday, and I ended up being down a little bit of money yesterday. But the one winning trade that I had in 2 days, not only did it put me into the green for 2 days, for back now for the second day of trading this live account, as you can see the number right up here at the top. But in addition to that, I'm not going to win, and you'll see these numbers here in the blog. I'm not going to win at a clip of just 5% over the course of 2 days. And so if you can win with 5% of your trades, that meaning that 95% of your trades are losing or break even, and you still are positive, that means that you are doing the right thing from a money management perspective, and also you have the right ideas on targets, etc. At least that's the way that I see it, and I think the results are beginning to bear witness to that. So anyway, the OTG trade of the day is about 31 minutes long. It is, I'll let you watch it in its entirety. You can see all of the ebbs and flows and the ups and downs that we went through to get through this. Again, we started with 1 lot. We ended up with 4 lots, riding it all the way to the finish line here today. And so without further ado, here is that OTG trade of the day. Stop will be 10 ticks. There's 5, 4, and I'm in. Okay, we'll look to go to break even if we get down to 96 and can't get through it. There's 0201. I don't have any ad spots yet. I just want to see what we do around 96. 90. Come on. Get down through that 00. Stop is 10 ticks here to 14. See if we can get down to 96. Come on, 432. You have a few icebergs coming in at 0302. We got to get through that 0302, then 00. There's 01. 89. Yeah, I can add one at 89. I'm going to add one at 84, actually. There's 0100. I'm going to add one at 84. And then I'm going to go, let's see, 84. Okay, there's 97, 96. I'm back to break even now. I'm at break even now. Okay. So there's that push down into that 96 zone that we were talking about. Your final target underneath you is all the way down here at 45. So I'm going to add at 84. 74. And 69. Okay. That's where the ads are. We're looking to target 46.47. The break point down below, 46.47 is your target. Now we need to stay underneath 96. Okay, we came down to that double bottom right there at 88. Adding at 84. That's going to bring my average in. We're doing 0.2. That's going to bring my average in to 94. Let's see if we can catch the runner now. See if we can catch the runner. If we don't catch the runner all the way to the target, I would like to be able to at least protect some, but I can't do it yet. $84 is the ad. Is that the right spot? Let's look here. Make that 83 on the ad. 83 is the ad. I want to get a tick below that little area right here. 83 is the ad. You're targeting down to 47. $140 long at 83, so we'll make it 82 on the ad. $82, $74, and $69. So it's 22 ticks on the ad, first ad. 22 ticks. Then the second ad is 74. The second ad is 30 ticks. And the final ad is 69, which is, well, come on. We don't want to come back up through this 96 area. We really don't. Come on, stay underneath 96. Stay underneath the 96. Yeah, I see that. Yeah. Come on, 93, 92. Let's keep this move going. We need to get through now 88 to 87. You need to move down to 88 or 87 now. And the target is 45, 47. $91 is the 70.5 coming the other way. Gotcha. Come on, break that 87 here. Again at 82, 93 will be the stop. Bleh. It is always. All right, so how high did we get up here? We got to 99. Okay, we just need to aggressively break this. New 15-minute bar in 5.5 minutes. Okay, it just suddenly petered out on us, didn't it? There's 89, 88. You got to break 88 to 87. There's 87. At least we touched through it. 86, 85, and I'm in again. All right. And my stop is now 93. Come on, get through it. We got to stay back underneath 96. Come on. You got a little bit of a bottom down there at 75. Really? 85, 84. Gosh. 6 ticks on 2 would be 120. Okay, my stop here is 99. I can still remember on my risk, I can risk 140 bucks and still be within 1%. Well, a 6-tick stop at 99 is actually I can go 7 ticks to 0.0. Still the same amount of risk, right? But it keeps me above that 96 level. Okay, we need to pop down through 81.80. 122 and 109 at 81 and 80. I'm going to go ahead. There's 82, 81. I'm going to go at 99 is the stop. Okay, we just got through those orders. That's a good sign. Let's go. Okay, 74 and 68 on the ads. 74 and 68 on the ads. Okay, there's 80, 79. You got 154 at 75. Let's go ahead and go to 93 on the stop now. Actually, I'm going to go to 92. Come on. 153 long at 76. And we got as deep as... We've got a double bottom here now at 79. There's 79. You've got a big iceberg order at 80 and 79, respectively. At 80 and 79. 80 on the sell, 1 at 79 on the... Let's go to 90. Yeah, I'm at 93 here on the stop. Get through 79. Come on, push through that 79. Lots of orders coming in on the buy side at 79. Come on, let's go. Gosh, come on. 92 is my stop here. Do not come down. Or come back, rather. Come on down. Do not come back up. Got to get through 81, then 80. 100. Limit orders long at 79 down there. That's the line in the sand for some reason. That's the line in the sand down there at 79, 78. Does anybody have a level or a moving average or anything? I don't have anything down there. Oh, your market mid. Yeah, you're right. Directional mid. Duh. Market maker level. That is why. So we get through that and close underneath that 79, right? Then we should be clear down to your revision signal at 47. That's where the target is. There's 77, 76, 75. There's those orders at 75 that we just ran into. You had 36. 139 on the bid at 76. Adding again at 74. And 68. All right, let's go. Adding at 74 and 68. Stop is 92. Actually make that one tick down to 73 on the ad. Well, maybe you got it, maybe you didn't. Okay, stop is 85. Stop is 85. Adding at 68 for the fourth lot. Make that 67. 67 on the fourth lot. Add. There's 69 again. Stop is at 85. We're looking to target down to 47. Okay. And I got the final one in. I'm in at 81 now is the trail stop. Final target is 47. Okay. 47 is the final stop, is the trail stop. Come on, get through it here. Come on, get on down through it here. 70, see 80. Let's make that trail stop 5 ticks to 77 just so we can get something out of this. 47 is the target down below. Now we got to get through it here. You got a bottom down here to deal with around 59. We got a bottom around 59 to deal with here. That's where we bottomed before. You got 107, 102 long at 62. 102 long at 62. Come on, push through it here. Come on. 65, 64, 63. What am I averaged in at? 82. 77 is the trail stop at the moment. We got to get down through 63, 62. 105 at 62. Limit orders long right now. Come on, get through 63 to 62. 114 at 62. Break through them. There's 64, 63. Let's go. Get through that 63, 62. $138 long at 62. Just quit fooling around and go get them. We should be clear down to around 52 to 47. New 15-minute bar. Well, new 5-minute bar in 2 minutes here. I like to close on lows here on this bar. Come on, we got to get through. My trail stop right now is 79 here. Yeah. All right. Just ebbs and flows here. Ebbs and flows. Got to get through 62 down there. A little bit of an iceberg coming in at 68, and it failed to hold. We got to get through 62. 136. Limit orders long down there at 62. We should reach out to this next step down here at 47. That's the target. 47 is your target. Get through 65. Get through it all here. Got to get through 62. Come on, 65, 64, 63, 62. Let's go. 113, limit orders long at 62. Quit fooling around and just get through it. There's 63. Go hit 62 now. We hit 62, being decent shape, I believe. If we can hit and get through it. We just haven't hit it yet. Triple bottom there at 63. Did we just hit 62? Yeah, 103 hit the bid down there at 62. Let's get through it. Come on. Come on, 64. We got to get through that 62. We had 102 hit the bid down there at 62. Got to stick with it here. 66, 65. Come on. Quit fooling around here and let's go. 77 on the stop for now. Now you have at 61 and 56. Now you have orders stacked up. Just finish the move. Just finish the move here. Gosh, we're just back and forth in this area here. 65, 64. Let's break into the 50s now. Okay, you have that previous low was 58 down there. It was a previous low. 100 limit orders long at 61. I think we're going to do this. $81 is the stop. I'm going to sit through this. 81 is the stop. I'm going to attempt to sit through this. 81 is the stop. We are going to make it down to that break point down there, I believe. And I'm going to try to sit through it here till we do. I'm going to try to hang on to my guns. 100 limit orders long at 61. I'd really like to go ahead and get through those into the 50s. All right, thanks, Christian. We need to get through 61 down here and into the 50s. 52 is structure signal. 47 is revision signal. And let's see if the price, you got not really much from a time perspective here to help us out here. 22 minutes till the top of the hour, but this thing will long have been decided by then. $107 at 61, 119 at 56, 64, 63. Come on, just get through here. Boy, there's point of control now at 64. 77 is the stop. 77 is the stop. 64, 63. There's 61 now. Blast through it. Come on, fight your way through that 61. 110 on the bid down there at 61. Come on, blast your way through that 61. Man, this thing is telling me it wants to get there. 102 at 60 now. Boy, there are some orders stacking up. Come on, 61. Get through 62, 61. It does not want to get into the 50s yet. 62, 61. Let's go. 62 again. Boy, it's trying to get through the into the 50s. 61. Come on. 61. Let's go hit 60. 60, 59. Okay, good. Bring that trail stop down to 72. 10 ticks. We got down as deep as, let's see here. We still got some room here to go. The top of the box, the daily S1 is at 49. I'm not going to let it get to 49. And my stop here is 47, or target is 47. I'm not going to let it get to 49 and not finish for sure. Let's get through that. Okay, 59, 58. This is a sticky point. 56 as well. Come on, 58, 57. 57, 56. There's 55. Bring the stop down to 67. 67 is now the stop. Okay. Come on. Finish this thing down to 47. There's 55. That's 8. Okay, 54. Come on. 54, 53. Come on. Get through. Finish it. You got stacks at 51 and 50 here. Let's go ahead and bring this down to 64 on the stop here. 64. There's 55, 54. Come on. Get through it. Come on. 54, 53. We got as deep as 54. We got to get through 53. You've got orders stacked up down here at 51 and 50. New 15-minute candle in 4 minutes. This is a heavy bar down. Come on. 57, 56. Get through it. Stop here is 67. I'm just going to tinker with it one last time. I'm going to bring it to 67 on the stop and see if we can fight our way through it. We should come down at least to the top of the box here at 49. We should at least come down to 49. I don't know how far we're going to pull back. There's a top right there at 69. All right, just get through it here. 57, 56. Come on, 55, 54. You still have orders stacked up at 51 and 50. If we can fight through those, we should slice right through to the target. 55. Come on, 54, 53. Get through it. There's 55 again. 57, 56. Come on, 55, 54. All right, we had 39. Not many takers on the bid at 54 yet. 54, 53. Get through 52, 51. Bring this down to 62. Sorry, 64 is the stop now. 64. All right, we had 53. We got to 53. All right, come on. 55. You got a new 15-minute bar here in 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Come on, bust through 55. Get through those orders at 51.50 and finish this thing off. It should come down. I just want it to happen. There's 54. It should do it. I just want it to happen here and not squirrel around with this first. 56, 67. I'm going to try to sit through to the next 15-minute bar. 67 is the stop. Come on, muscle your way through these levels here. 55. Come on, 54. Wow, gosh. Come on. Get through it. All right, so here's what you're running into right here. This is your structure revision signal right there at 53. If we can fight our way through the revision signal, we should be able to get down to the structure signal, which is at 47. So that's your market maker level. You're running into a little bit of support down there. You got about 50 seconds for a new 15-minute bar. And what you'd like to see on this 15-minute bar is a close below 61 here in the bottom third of the bar. That would be something you would be looking for. And it's not going to stay below 61, is it? Come on, back into the 50s here. Back down into the 50s. $70 is the stop. 70 on the stop. 70 is the stop. New bar coming out here in right now. 70 is the stop. I'll move it down if we are fortunate enough to break back down through it. Still looking to hold on for the target down there at 47. Here's why. You've got all these tops up here, right? You got all these 1-minute tops in that up there. I want to stay above that. This is just retracement back through it. Let's go. Come on, 60.59. Get back down through 60.59 here. Boy, that may be close enough, unfortunately. All right, so you need another push back underneath it. There's 59. Come on, back into the 50s. 59, 58. Let's get back down to 55. $61. Come on, 60.59. Fight your way back through it here. What was the top here? 65. Okay, we got to get through 59 and then 58. boy, that 60 is holding tough again. Oh, boy. Come on. Don't dink around here with it. Let's just finish down to 47. That's my expectation level. I still think it's going to finish at 47. I just don't know if I'm going to be around long enough to see it go down. I just don't know. Come on, get through 59, 58, then 57. There we go. 57, 56. Bring it back to 67 on the stop. There's 57. Still 124 and 177 at 51 and 50 respectively. Stop 67 here. We just got down to 57. Let's get through 56, 55. 56, 55 here. Let's go. Get down through it. We got to get 51, then 50. We got to hit that 51, then 50 area. 125 at 51 and 196 at 50. So this area has been tough. 55, 54. We've only been as deep. We got down and touched 53. We've got to get through that area. 55. Come on. 54, 53. Really? Get through it here. 67 is the stop. 66. There's 55 again. 54. Come on. 53, 52. Get through 53, then 52. There's 53. 62 is my stop. Come on. 51, 50, 49. 62 is my stop. There's 50. Get through. There it is. Target achieved. Target achieved. All right. So you can see that was a lengthy trade. However, it did pay off. And again, sticking to our plan, sticking to our risk management philosophy, we were able to have a successful trading day today. And we were able to erase the problems that we had yesterday. So again, as always, I want to say thank you for spending time watching the videos here at the Oil Trading Group. And until tomorrow, I want to wish you good luck and good trading.